how to get this woman to chase you. Stay tuned. Well, hello and welcome, you handsome devil. Look at you. You want this woman to go around chasing you. Well, you know what? I don't blame you because you're so good looking, she should be chasing you. Now, if you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Arica Angelo, and here we talk about dating, sex, attraction, women. This is a place that you, my man, you want to be. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, you turn on the notification bell, and hey, stay till the very end because I always offer you a word of encouragement. Listen, I get it. We all want to be chased. We all want to be pursued. But have you ever thought to yourself, am I a man worth being chased? Hard question to ask yourself, but telling yourself the truth is going to get you closer there. So let me ask you this. You have this need to chase women. Why? Because they have something to offer you. They're sexy, they're sweet, they're sensual. They have things that you want. But are you showing up with the things that women want? Because if you're not, chances are women are not going to chase you. So what are the things that women want where they go, oh, that guy has this going on, therefore I want to chase and pursue this man? Well, the first one is this: a man who is driven, who has passion, who has purpose, that kind of man who is doing something beyond himself. When a woman sees a man invested in his career or something that he's passionate about, it says, hey, this guy has something going on. This guy is sexy. He's doing something with his life. Women want that. We want a man who's passionate and focused and tenacious about something. So ask yourself, am I driven in my life, or am I just slacking? Am I just coming home and watching Netflix? And if you are driven, then make sure that when you're with women that you tell them what you're passionate about, what your purpose is, because that, my dear, makes you sexy. The next thing is this. If a woman was running around in her sweatpants with greasy hair, with no makeup on, with hair growing everywhere, would you feel inclined to chase her? Hell to the no. So let me ask you this. Are you running around with baggy clothes, ungroomed hair, maybe not showering so often, but yet you're hoping that women would chase you? Well, you, my dear, need to wake up, because that's not how this works. You have to start wearing those fitted clothes, getting your grooming in check, wearing certain jewelry that makes you look sexy, that makes you stand out, that shows your personality. But if you're not looking sexy, if she's not seeing your beautiful body, or maybe not so beautiful body, but you're still wearing fit clothes as opposed to looking like a slob, if you're not doing those things, she's not going to want to chase you. So get your fashion in check, start grooming, and hey, add those little pieces of jewelry that show her you know what's up. Now, if you have not taken my attraction quiz, honey, what are you waiting for? It is the rage right now. Make sure that you take that quiz right now. The third thing is this. One, you need to be doing the prior things that I've just said, which is you gotta be driven, passionate, have some purpose, convey that to her when you're dating her. And the second thing, obviously, you wanna have your physical appearance together because, hey, she needs to be sexually into you. But the third thing is this: you gotta give a woman some space. If you're constantly hounding her, if you're constantly asking for dates, if you're blowing up her text messaging, she's not gonna have a reason to chase you. Why? Because you, my dear, you're doing all the work. You're doing the chasing. You're not giving her the opportunity to chase you back. So I want you to cut back on how much you're reaching out to her and give her some room to also chase you, my love. So in the comment section below, tell me which of these three that you need to step up your game with. Listen, my love, we all want to be chased. We all want to be pursued. I get it. It's not just women who want this. Hey, you guys want this too. But my love, make sure that you're doing the things to really properly care for yourself. Chances are, if you've let one of the two that I mentioned in terms of your physical appearance or drive, if these are lacking and you're not taking care of yourself, I want you to today make a commitment that you're gonna get more intentional about that. Because first and foremost, you gotta do this for yourself, my love. Who cares if you get the girl, but you feel like shit inside? So change your dynamic up, start taking care of you. Because you know what, my love? You're worth it. You're lovable. So start taking care of you because we only get one of you. Remember, you have what it takes, and you, my dear, you are already loved. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you the next time. You take care.